So first thing we do is check where we're going to put the lock. Then we mark it. Then we screw it in after we drill some pilot holes. Then the next step is to let Daddy do it because, well, Lincoln was not strong enough to hold this drill up by himself. So I finished it myself. Doesn't that look pretty? Lincoln approves. Oh no, the screws are too long. They're going to show through the door. Well, good thing I have some shorter screws in my truck. Now he's marking the latch. Here we are, screwing the latch on. Lock is in working order. And that's what we're looking for everything to line up and open and close smoothly. Job well done.